Быстрее поменяй, быстрее.
Я вижу, 10:30.
10:30, окей. А потом ты помнишь?
Не очень.
Так его быстрее. Как называется?
28, 25, я не помню.
Alright, so what happened is we had a little baby. Now I'm a father of 3 now. Check out Sacramento downtown. That's from our window from the hospital. So beautiful. Alex the Russian here. Welcome to my channel, guys. How's everybody doing? As you guys all remember, we installed Dynamic AutoWorks FlowMax Plus turbos. On the left side is the stage 4s that we had. It's a 19.5T. But just look at the difference between my stage 4s and Max Flow Plus. If on the left is 19.5T, what size is the freaking on the right side? I don't even know, guys, but we're gonna test them out today. Let's see what they're gonna do. 26, 27 PSI.
Alright, my tuner just sent me an email. He said, there you go. 12 degrees of timing, tune it up to 26 PSI and add 4 to your FF value. So we are good. Whoa! I'm so happy.
As you guys have been all seen it, now the timing it looks perfect. But they had to do a lot of work. We changed the valve cover because I corrected by accident. Also, the car pulled false knock on high RPM, so we had to put a spacer over there. Also, we removed that front sway bar for track day. Let's see what happens.
Alright, I just flashed transmission tune, so I gotta drive around slowly for about 45 miles or something. The more the better, but 30 is okay, but I want to drive more. But I have to drive around because the transmission has to adapt. If it's not gonna adapt, it's not gonna shift right. By the way, the tire in the back is scratching something. You guys can hear it while I'm driving over the bumps. Because we used to have a tire that goes like this, and then Nazar, the guy that does alignment, he put the tire like this. Because we gotta do a drag alignment. Drag alignment makes the tire go straight. So we have the tire go straight like this, not like this. So that's why it's scratching over there. Guys, so when I was testing the car, I will show you guys those videos right now. When I was testing the car hit the limiter 3 times because it slipped the gear from second to third. So I'm gonna have to switch it to XHP stage 3 for now, because Rod's Sutphin's tune is kind of like it's not finished yet. I just don't have any more time to wait and do anything. I'm just gonna switch to XHP stage 3 and go to the track.
Here I borrowed some tires from my buddy Jeff, VMS Racing rims, front runners, just for the front to be lighter and have less resistance.
You guys, we installed the tires, but I sprayed the hoosh here a little bit just because I don't want the police to freaking get me. So hoosiers are installed, skinnies are installed. Wow, looks so good.
Alright guys, we are in E40 and 26 PSI. Let's see what this car can do. Guys, this first run set a world record at 10.63. Previous world record for stock auto transmission, stock drivetrain, and stock converter is 10.66, set 3 years ago or a little bit more. We are the first ones to do it.
Guys, we just ran 10.6. Nazar ran 10.6 right now. Can you guys believe that? And then the first run was 6.5, 60 to 130. I just see my car do a 10.6 pass, yo. Woo! Thank you, bro. Nas. Put it to drive and back to sport. Put it to drive and then back to sport. That's how it's gonna go back to sport. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. 10.66, 134. Damn it. It's okay. Another 10.6. Hi. Guys, another 10.6, 1.660 foot. Oh, I'm so happy, bro. Another 10.6, baby. Woo! Guys, I'm so happy. We got a world record for a stock auto transmission, guys. Woo! I'm so happy. Super excited. Давай, Oh, guys, this thing is so beautiful. Damn, this thing is so beautiful.
Huh. Like a safety deal, kind of?
Yeah, here. You're gonna be loud.
Right?
Woo-hoo-hoo! .660 foot, baby. Woo! Getting hotter? No, not yet. Yeah. Лучше заведи. This is kind of cold. Okay. And record the time slip if you can.
Yeah, I will.
171.
No way, what did he run? Oh yeah, that was a good burnout. That was a good burnout. Yeah, but he's not even record it, please, brother. Thank you. Hopefully it runs 10.4, bro. We need a 10.4. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Come on. 10.4. 10.5. 10.4. 10.5. Woo! Yeah! 10.50. 135. Oh yeah, boy. Woo! He just ran 10.5. 10.50, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes, we did. Just a little bit. 1.6. 1.69. 60 foot. 105. Almost 106 at the 8 mile. Yes, sir, but we didn't go with second gear. We're still going first gear because the car is perfect so far. It leaves hella hard. I'm gonna try it out second gear, but I'm not sure if you're gonna have time to do that. But we already got. Ten four one, baby. Woo! Oh yeah, baby, we just did 10.4. Wow. Huh?
10.4.
Let me hug you, bro. Let me hug you. Woo! That was so crazy, bro. 10.4, baby. 10.41. We're almost at 10.3. It didn't slip. I thought it slipped like at the end a little bit, no?
Up top, it misfired a little bit.
Oh really? Oh, that's what it was. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's bro. 10.4, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's right, boy. 10.4. Third world record in one day beat. Honestly, bro, I think no more points to go. Yeah, if this, the red line is on.
Alex is about to make a pass.
I wanted to try out a second gear because some guys asked me to do a second gear pull, so I'm gonna try it out.
And 6, 129.
Okay guys, best time of the day was 10:41. I just ran and whenever Nazar ran at 10:41, the transmission slipped. It slipped like 129 miles an hour. So we already finished, guys. For today, no more passes. That's it.
3:10.6 runs and 1:10.5 and 1:10.41 with a slip in transmission. Look at that tire wrinkle, guys. Just look how it wrinkles. Alright, highlights of the day: 2.90 to 60. Then we did 5.3 100 kilometers to 200 kilometers, and 60 to 130 was 6.37 seconds. Also 8 mile, the fastest 8 mile was 109 miles an hour. And here, guys, I have a quick race with this 67mm single turbo M54, no lift shift, 23 pounds of boost, around 650 wheel horsepower. I started 2 cars behind and no brake boost, and 20 psi in the second gear. The video started recording late and ended shortly, but as you see in second gear 20 psi, then third gear 26 psi. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the love, comment, repost, send to everybody. And just wanted to tell you guys, this Dynamic AutoWorks turbos, oh my goodness, they're so good. I'm really impressed, and I know we can tune it up a little bit more and do a little bit faster pass without slipping transmission, but dang, these turbos are good. I'm really impressed. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye bye.